His plea was taken and he pleaded not guilty to the charge.
In the art of law and justice, the pleading of being guilty or not guilty is not the end to a case that has been presented to a jury. When an accused person pleads not guilty before a jury, this has two stances in law. First is, it means you didn't commit the crime. Then, on the other hand, it means you did commit the crime but had an excuse which the court recognizes as defense. On the latter note, the court will fix a trial to decide whether you are truly guilty as charged or not guilty. So in the case of this young man who in cold blood spied someone's precious daughter, sister and friend, to which he even attested to before the Nigerian police that yes, he did carry out the ungodly act. So in this case, it will be assumed that he is saying, oh yes, I did it, but I have an excuse for carrying out the act. Now on this note, the court will adjourn the case to a stipulated date for trial. So in a nutshell, the young man pleading not guilty does not mean he is saying he did not buy the lady. But if eventually he turns to say he didn't buy the lady with all the evidences, then I must say I don't know what the outcome will be, but I'll leave it up to you to say what you feel in the comment section, because this is Niger. Anything can happen. So at this point, I have to step aside for you to enjoy the rest of the video. But before I take a bow, please do me a favor, smash that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for my next video.
Timileyin Ajayi was properly arraigned before this honorable court on the one-count charge of culpable homicide punishable with death. His plea was taken and he pleaded not guilty to the charge, and the date was set for trial. The case is now adjourned to the 17th to 28th day of March for trial. The court is desirous of giving it a speedy trial, accelerated trial, and it's a welcome development. We have overwhelming evidence to sustain the charge, and we are optimistic that the justice will be done.
Today was basically for arraignment, and as the law demands, he has entered his plea already, so we have taken a date for hearing. It's not my place to prove the case. It's my place to defend him. The essence of the work of the defense counsel is to ensure that the prosecution does their own work legally well, which is to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. So I'm here to make sure that the law is fulfilled.
And we, the set of lawyers you are seeing here, are watching brief to see that things are properly done. So that's why we're here this morning. And I'm sure a lot of you were not happy to see that a Nigerian was in the circumstances butchered, killed, not only killed, butchered, ripped, the bones removed in so many polythenes. So you should, everyone should be worried. The ladies should be worried, men should be worried. And so we are here to see that justice is done.
Please hit the like and subscribe button.